Hey folks, I thought I'd do a video on how to ride a leader bike for the first time. I don't know this guy in front of us. We're just kind of doing some lane splitting here in California, which is legal. And one of the things you'll notice on a leader bike, and there's another guy behind us, motorcycle, is just on the freeway, just awesome power. And love the leader bike because it just, I don't want to pull the throttle back right now because what the heck is this dog? Oh no, oh no, don't bite me, don't bite me. That's some Moto Madness stuff right there. You guys got to go check out Moto Madness. I'll put the link below this video, but whenever you catch weird things on video like dogs almost biting your neck, you put it on Moto Madness. Anyways, back to this. So with the leader bikes, you just have awesome power, and you're never really straining for power. You're always have, you know, power on tap.